The result of the vote is as follows: 153 in favor, 10 against, 23 abstentions. Draft Resolution A/ES10/L27 has been adopted. Those against and abstentions.
The General Assembly is now voting on Draft Resolution A.
I declare, I thank the distinguished representative.
Sírvanse levantar la mano.
What we are witnessing is the unprecedented collapse of an already crumbling humanitarian system in real time. It is incumbent upon us, as the United Nations, to bring an immediate end to the suffering of innocent civilians. Please signify those against and abstain. Impossible.
Any ceasefire right now would be temporary at the best and dangerous at worst. Dangerous to Israelis, who would be subject to relentless attacks, and also dangerous to Palestinians, who deserve the chance to build a better future for themselves, free from Hamas.
There are no war crimes more heinous than the atrocities Hamas committed, and those that support this resolution are giving the terrorists a free pass. A ceasefire means one thing and one thing only: ensuring the survival of Hamas.